Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, I'm talking with you in brief. Uh, Today we will know the purpose of life. So, what's the purpose of our life? We need to know this topic because this is the very important for us. So, regarding this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describe very clear, and He mentioned in the Quran the purpose of life. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He has created us. He described very clear. So if you look at the Suratul Mulk, you will be find out this topic. So let me explain to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He mentioned in the Quran, Suratul Mulk, He said, الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا. Allah said, الذي خلق الموت. He created life and death. خلق الموت والحياة. He created death and life. Why? ليبلوكم. To test you. Ayyukum ahsanu amala, which of you is best indeed? Which of you is best indeed? That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He has created us. So look at liyabluwakum. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He has created us liyabluwakum, to test you, and ayyukum ahsanu amala, by test, so that He knows to about us, ayyukum ahsanu amala, which of you is best indeed. So this is the purpose of life. Our destination, our purpose is Akhirah, the after the resurrection. So this is the purpose of our life. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He has created death and life. If you look another ayah, you will be find out the purpose of life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He mentioned Surah Al-Dhariyah. He said, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I do not create, I didn't create any mankind and jinn kind except worship me. Except worship me. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala He created us for worship of Allah. So dear brothers and sisters in Islam, our life purpose is, our life destination is the worship of Allah. Only one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we need worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala everywhere, every situation. Jazakallahu khairan ahsan al-jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.